Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to be talking about some hair that I got from Amazon. So I've definitely been checking out Amazon a little bit more, mainly because I have Amazon Prime and I like to get my hair quick. So some of the AliExpress vendors do have stores on Amazon. Of course, the Amazon prices are a little bit more expensive because you are paying for the convenience. Usually if you order from AliExpress, it does take a while for your order to get to you. On Amazon, you can have 2-day shipping. So yeah, today we are talking about violet hair, and this is 1B613 human hair bundles in 16, 18, and 20 inches. And I ordered this because I'm making another gray wig. Now, I bought some gray hair from BQ Hair on AliExpress, on Amazon. I'll leave that video down below in the description box. And I tried to pair a blonde frontal with it. Now, I didn't get the frontal the color I wanted, so I had to strip it, and I'm working on that now. But I did want to get the hair so I can start on a true gray wig, because trying to match those bundles to that frontal is taking a little bit longer than I thought it would. So I'm going to be using the watercolor method to color this hair, but I wanted the hair now. I didn't want to have to wait until the vendors on AliExpress ship the hair to me. So I got this 2-day shipping. This was Amazon Prime, and it came in an Amazon box, but then inside the box it came in this bag. Like I said, there were 3 bundles, and it also has this little thank you card. And then on the back it asks you to leave feedback. And I don't know if there's an inside. Nope, there is no inside, so there are no hair care instructions, but if you order a lot of bundles like I do, you pretty much know how to take care of your hair. Anyway, let's get into the hair itself. First thing I noticed, reusable bags. I love these reusable plastic bags. They're like long Ziplocs. I love that. I love that the bundles are neatly packaged, where they have the rubber band on the top preventing the bundle from falling down to the bottom of the bag. And then they have their label right here on the front of the bundle, on the front of each bundle, and I like that. So as you can see, it is definitely 1B613, so I'm going to open up the 16 and 20 inch and give you my thoughts. All right, so fresh out of the bag. It does not come with a hairnet, so this hair has a lot of static. And also straight out of the bag, I can see all of the breakage. I don't know if you can, but I can definitely see all of the breakage. This is the 16 inch. This is what the top of the bundle looks like. And then this is the body of the bundle. Can you see the breakage? Can you see it? Can you see it? A lot of breakage. So the top of the bundle is a lot fuller than the end. So that's disappointing. Let's see if it has a smell. No smell. The hair is really soft, but there are a lot of dark pieces in here. Running my hands through it, there is no shedding. And like I said, since I'm not going to be doing any chemical process on this hair, and also since this is going to be a wig, this is okay quality for me. I wish that there wasn't so much breakage, but if I put a smoothing conditioner on here, it's not going to look crazy when I make my wig with it. I like that there's no smell. I wish it was a little bit fuller, because if this is a 16 inch, I can only imagine what the 20 inch is going to look like. So, yeah. Looking at the transition between 613 and the 1B color, I mean, it looks like it's a gradient. It doesn't look like it's a straight line, so we'll definitely see more of that when I undo the bundle and make my wig. So when I do my update video, I will let you know about that. The ends are not dry, surprisingly. Of course, like I said, there's a lot of breakage, but the ends are not dry. The hair is very soft. So you know, once I put water on it, we'll find out what kind of hair it really is, but straight out of the bag, it's pretty soft. All right, so let's move on to the 20-inch. So here's the 20-inch straight out of the bag. Once again, a lot of flyaways, a lot of breakage, and a thin bundle. So you guys know when you order hair, the longer the length, the smaller the bundle. But since this has so much breakage, this is the top of the bundle. And then I'll show you how much it's tapered. This is actually not as bad as the 16-inch, I'll be honest. It seems pretty even from the weft to the tip. I was expecting it to be like one hair down here, but it actually, you know, looks the same amount of density from the weft to the tip. Of course, that's not a lot of density because this is a longer length, but I mean, I'm not mad at it. I'm actually quite surprised. Once again, like I said, a lot of breakage, but as I'm running my hands through it, there is no shedding. And then the hair is very soft. The ends are very soft. And there is no smell. But like I said, just like in the 16-inch, there are a lot of dark pieces of hair in here, but that's not going to bother me because I'm going to be putting a color on it anyway. But if stuff like that does bother you, I just want to tell you guys all the facts. So once again, this is from Violet Hair on Amazon, and I didn't tell you the origin. It is 100% human hair, Brazilian straight, 1B613. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. Of course, after I make my wig, I might actually show you guys how I do the watercolor method for gray hair. I plan on using purple shampoo and purple conditioner instead of an actual color, but we'll see how that turns out. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And I will be coming back with a follow-up video after I have made my wig. And if you're curious what company I'm getting my frontal from, I'm getting it from Ross Pretty Hair. I actually already have it, but I've been talking about Ross Pretty Hair a lot. I talk about them all the time when I do hair videos because that is the only place where I buy my frontals, because they have light brown lace that melts perfectly with my skin tone. So I think I've talked about them enough. I don't need to show you a regular old blonde frontal, but definitely check out Ross Pretty Hair on AliExpress. And after, you know, I make my wig and do an update video for you, maybe check out Violet Hair on Amazon. Like I said, if you're just wanting to make a wig and not sew the product in, then you can go for a little bit cheaper hair. But if you're going for, if you want a sew-in and you need it to last, you definitely want to invest in your hair. I do not suggest buying it online unless you have already ordered from that vendor before. Definitely go someplace where you can feel the quality of the hair if you are getting a sew-in. So a lot of the companies that I order from are online, but like I said, I make a lot of wigs. I don't never sew none of them in my hair. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.